Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a homemade version of Taco Hamburger Helper. Here at the stove I've gone ahead and heated up my skillet, and I'll be browning up 1 pound of ground beef. I'll also be adding in 1 diced onion, and then here I have 1 small jalapeno that I've diced up. The jalapeno is optional, you don't need to add it unless you like the heat. Once the beef is browned up, I'll be adding in my seasonings, and here I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, cilantro, dried cilantro, paprika, and black pepper, and then finally a half a teaspoon of salt. I'll also be adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Once those start becoming fragrant, I'll be adding in 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. This is optional, but I'll be adding in 1 can of the diced green chilies, 2½ cups of Rotini Pasta, 1½ cups of beef broth, and then 1½ cups of milk. Now that this has come up to a boil, I'll be popping a lid on and dropping my heat down to low and allowing this to simmer for 10 minutes or until the noodles are cooked to my desired doneness. Now that the noodles are cooked, I've already gone ahead and started adding in 2 cups of cheese. I'm using a mix of sharp and seriously sharp cheddar, and I've also turned off the heat. Once that's stirred in, I'm just going to let it sit here for a few minutes until the cheese is completely melted. I've gone ahead and plated up a little bit of the Taco Hamburger Helper. I've garnished it off with just a little bit of sour cream, some freshly diced tomatoes, and a little bit of sliced green onion. And now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. This definitely does remind me of Taco Hamburger Helper. It's got a nice little level of heat in it. I could actually use a little bit more, but that's just personal preference. The seasoning is pretty good in here. I might actually even bump it up just a tiny bit more to make it a little bit more pronounced. But overall, this is a great little recipe that I had done in under 30 minutes. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.